Hundreds of pro-Houthi supporters took to the streets of the Yemeni capital Saana on Monday to protest against the resumed Saudi-led coalition airstrikes. And the protest comes after military fighters resumed operations in Yemen late on Sunday after a 5-day ceasefire ended. And Houthi rebels and Yemen's exiled government, currently in the Saudi city of Riyadh, blamed each other for the failure to renew the truce. And according to the UN, the conflict has killed more than 1,400 people, many of them civilians, since the 19th of March. Despite the efforts of the international community to get all parties to the table for talks, Houthi supporters remain defiant, saying they are ready to face any challenge.